Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a top knot tutorial. So I typically don't do these because honestly I don't know how to do my hair like that and I don't do new styles, but we can all learn together. So this style is going to actually be done on old braid out hair. I had my hair in chunk braids earlier and I just took it out. Once they're unraveled, we're going to be using the Camille Rose Hydrating Elixir. So I recently went to their event at Nikki Beach and I was given the whole coconut collection line to try. So I figured I might as well try it today and see how it works for this style. For this, you will need a brush, a few bobby pins, and a hair tie. So let us begin. First things first, we're going to take that elixir and we're just going to get our edges. We're going to make sure that our hair is moist and smooth enough to go back into this top knot. So pretty much I just smooth over all of my edges and just kind of do a ponytail to begin with. Once the ponytail's done, we're going to split my hair into 4 sections and proceed to twist each section into loose chunk twists. So once your hair is all twisted up, you're going to start taking each individual twist and you're going to twist one on top of the other. So the front twist will go backwards and then I'll pin it to the front, and then the back twist will loop over and come forward and then I'll pin it to the back. It makes more sense when you watch it, in all honesty. This is what creates that cute little knot at the top of your head. Once that's done, you just smooth down the edges and there you have it, folks, your top knot. I hope you guys liked this video. Be sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button for more. See you guys later. Bye!